What if we really realize it's all a gift? Even the problems, even the pain, even the car accidents, even the hurts, even the relationships that didn't work out, even the jobs or businesses that had challenges. What if we're even grateful for the fear that struck us because we at least felt fully, or the faith that guided us beyond the fear? Keep going. Or the joy that's available any moment you're grateful. What if tears flowed, but they were tears of grace? Just thankful for it all. What if inside your soul knew the truth from this day forward? If you ever forgot, your soul speaks up and reminds you, life's not happening to you, baby. It's always been happening for you. And it still is, even now. Close your eyes just for a moment. Give thanks in whatever way is appropriate for you for this magnificent life full of all these feelings. Because my dear friends, we've seen it, we've heard it, we've tasted it, we've smelled it, we've experienced it all. And yet there's so much more. The sun rising in the morning and sun setting at night. Moonlight on the water, or perhaps on the raindrops. The reflection on a car window. The smell of cotton. The taste of a piece of fruit you love. The smile on a child's face, one you love or a beloved. The laughter that's so strong your belly and whole body shakes. The insights that free you and come whenever you're willing. The love of life, God or the universe or whatever it is you believe has given you this magnificent gift called life that comes with so many textures, so many emotions, so many feelings. And what if you let all those feelings flow, not be held back? They flow into the place where you're not, where you've never been, because you're more than any of it. What if now you could take in all the beautiful textures without fear and know that it's all been the fabric that has helped to shape this beautiful destiny that is just beginning its next chapter now. What's now and what's next is always better than what was, because we keep growing. So just a prayer of thank you, in whatever way is appropriate for you, to whoever has touched your life. Who do you want to thank right now? Who are some of the people along the way that have been there for you? They weren't perfect. I'm not, you're not, but they were there at certain moments. Who's been there at certain moments of your life that you want to thank? What force of the universe or creation has been there for you always and still is? Who do you love? Fill up with that love. Pour it into those you love. And thank them right now. Those that are here and even those that have passed. Teachers, friends, lovers, children, fathers, mothers. What is more precious than a loving heart in a state of gratitude and thanks?